Hello everyone, I am Bharat Kumar. I am from Chennai. I am currently pursuing PGD ITM from NITI Mumbai. I have done my 10th and 12th from Tamil Nadu board and scored 82 and 93 percentage respectively. Regarding my engineering, I have done my BTech IT from Anna University Chennai. I also scored a distinction with a percentage of 77 percentage. My technical expertise lies in Java and Struts. I have also experience in JMQ. I have done my re-engineering project where I have to convert a code from SQL to Java completely. I have also worked in system consolidation work where I was exposed to a lot of database and PLSQL changes. I have also developed the website for Citibank Russia and Turkey respectively and have knowledge in website development. I have also studied and have good knowledge in object-oriented languages like C++ also. I have a work experience of 31 months. My career spanned over two of the biggest companies in the world, TCS and Verizon respectively. I worked initially in TCS from being a campus recruit, and my work was in BFSI domain, and I worked in retail banking division for Citibank. Then I went on to work with Verizon, and my work was in telecom domain. I have done an industrial training for a week in BSNL, which is an implant training. Then I went on to do an initial learning program in TCS where I was trained in Java. Then during my work I also got certified in two different divisions. One is in credit card where I learned about how the credit card works, and I also trained myself on retail and how the US retail functions. I trained around 10 experienced officials in TCS regarding my project workflow. This document which I prepared was also used as training materials for the future recruits who join for my project. I have also trained and mentored around 20 vendors in Verizon while working for it in in telecom division. I was a part-time faculty in Time Chennai where I have taught over 500 people regarding CAT coaching and campus placement. After joining NITI, I have also been a part of organizing committee of Litmus, which is an PGD ITM initiative held during Avartan, which is our management festival. I was also a part of quiz committee of my college and have held various events in it. And I am also a part of NGO called as Chennai Social Service, and I have been ably helping the visually challenged people, being a member and important part of it. I am a constant innovator and I always question the processes, and I have used this in my work experience where I have used a new innovation by which I was able to reduce the server downtime by around 90% in TCS. I was also working in BPR project where I was able to reduce the processing time by 94%. And I have also proposed some new things which have been implemented across organization. One of my suggestions regarding the training programs was implemented across the whole Verizon. And regarding my extracurriculars, I am a chess player and I have won two bronze medals in zonal level tournaments, and I am also a district level chess player.